Hello, I'm Adrian and welcome to my Patreon. In this video I'm gonna guide you through this page and I'm gonna tell you what you can get as a reward, as well as why I created this Patreon. Let's start with this one. Lately I found something that makes me so freaking happy with those lyric videos that I'm creating, and I did Bury a Friend by Billie Eilish and Copycat that have over 1 million views. That's a significant amount of views, and from that I believe people want to see more of them and I want to create them, so that's why I created this Patreon. I also want to create a little story-based animations around famous YouTuber that might gain some traction and also be interesting for you. Let's check for the tiers for my Patreon. Cookie at $2. You can have a Patreon only feed about upcoming videos as I wrote, and I'm gonna add your name at the end of my videos, and of course the early video access. How it works, I'm gonna post here when I will start a bigger project, including those YouTuber things or lyric videos. I'm gonna throw here some images and description for you. At $5, add large coffee. Each 15th of the month I'm gonna pick one from the Patreons and create little animation, the same that I did for What's.char. Just a one per month. Maybe if there will be more people I will do 2 monthly or something. I don't know, that's a cool, like a gamble thing. And as always, everything from the previous tier. $10 tier, extra large coffee. This one is expensive, kind of, because I want to add Easter eggs for names or your Instagram account or whatever you want into my videos. So I will plug you inside of the lyric videos or inside of the story-based videos. And to not have like 100 people plugged in the video, which would be freaking hard to animate, to decide where I should do this, that's why the price is pretty high for now. We'll see. Then it's a cake, a little thing which lasts from my previous installment of the Patreon, where you can Skype call me if you want to, just 1 hour monthly, to talk about your demo reel animation career, Elon Musk, whatever. That's a possible. We don't have to like talk. You can just support me with this tier. It's optional. And the cherry on top for someone that wants to sponsor me with a sponsored by card at the beginning of the video. With that being said, let's check out the goals. I'm gonna create those lyric videos, choruses for sure, but at 125 I'm gonna create 1 chorus per month. At 250, 2 choruses per month, and at 500 I'm gonna do 2 choruses and one of them will be a full song. That's something that I would love to do. As goals, 500 is the amount that can help me survive doing YouTube full time. And I'm gonna sneak within those this YouTuber vlog animated that I want to do as well. With that being said, please consider supporting me on my Patreon. Check out and subscribe this YouTube account, and also check my reaction channel somewhere. That's a pretty different thing, interesting as well though, I believe. See you around. Have a sick day. Cheers.